Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Kentucky sawdust pie. Take one.
Yum.
Billy sent me this recipe because he's wanting to try this. He's the pie guy. The pie guy. So first off, I have a 1/4 cup of butter in my pan here. And then we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. A 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar going in. And we're going to give that a little mix. A little mix. Guys, if you've ever heard of it or tried it, let us know down in the comments. We love looking at the comments and we answer every single one. All right, so we got that. Now, we're just going to mix everything in one bowl. That's how we do it. So we've got 2 eggs, blump, blump, going in. And we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. And a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And I use the power buttermilk, the Seiko. But you can always just use regular milk and some lemon juice or vinegar to make your buttermilk. And leave it sit for about 5 minutes. All right. Got that all mixed up. Now I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll mix those together. Give that a little mix. We're going to put that in. Bam. And we're almost done with the ingredients, guys.
That's pretty simple.
Mm-hmm. Easy as pie.
She said easy as pie.
All right. So now I have 1 cup of sweetened, flaked, or flaked sweetened coconut, however you want to say it, going in. And 1 cup of chopped pecans. Bam.
Just like that.
Just like that. And we're just going to stir that all together right there.
Who knew making pie was so easy?
And there is what she looks like.
That looks delish.
It smells it too. Guys, as you know, if anybody has seen our videos, we just do easy videos. Easy recipes. So simple. Anybody can follow me and do them. Alright, so now I'm using a deep dish pie shell or pie pan, and I bought the Pillsbury crust. You know, you can make your own if you want. You can use the frozen one, whatever you want. We're not going to judge. So now we're just going to pour this right into that pie pan. I got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. And I put it on this pan here with aluminum foil just in case. I didn't know how deep it was going to be. Looks like we're going to have a lot of, I probably could have done it in an 8-inch. But, you know, that's what we do. I do this so you guys don't have to experiment. That way you guys will know how to do it and what not to do. Because you see...
Did you put vanilla in that?
Yep. Because you see so many videos where people show you the done product and it doesn't look like yours because they're using AI or they're doing something else in between and not showing you everything. We show you everything. If we mess up, you see that too. So it's like I said, I could have used an 8-inch pie pan probably, but we're going to see if this puffs up or what we're going to do. All right. 350 degree oven, 35 to 40 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, guys. She was in my oven for 35 minutes exactly, and this is what she looks like. And that sliced crust was perfect, 9-inch. And if nobody has one of these and you cut a lot of pies, guys, this one, look at this, how this goes. It goes right there into the pie crust. So all you have to do is just get down and it cuts it right there. Easy. Easy as pie, as we say again. All right. We haven't tasted it yet. Here's what she looks like. Still warm because we can't wait. Plus, Billy just got done eating and he's wanting a piece of this. He's wanting to try it. So I get the first taste.
I figured that was going to be a good one. Kind of like pecan pie with a kick.
I think this will be on our Thanksgiving Day table this year.
Really? You like it that well?
I think people will like it. I know my brother will like it because he loves pecan pie. This is so awesome, guys. So easy to make. Kentucky sawdust pie.
Yum.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.